Christianity. Christianity is known as the world's largest religion. It has about 2.4 billion members, or 33% of the global population. It had began as the Second Temple Judaic sect in the 1st century. There are 4 major branches of Christianity known as the Catholic Church with 1.3 billion followers, Protestantism with 920 million followers, Eastern Orthodox with 260 million, and Oriental Orthodoxy with 86 million followers. The Catacomb of Priscilla is an archaeological site in Rome, Italy. The catacomb is split into 3 principal areas: the Areneum, the Cryptoportius, and the burial site. The Greek chapel is a square chamber with an arch which contains 3rd century frescoes generally interpreted to be Old and New Testament scenes. The Good Shepherd was usually depicted as a man feeding 2 crowing roosters as they are at his right and left sides. The artists were usually unsure how to depict the man because he was Jesus. The way it was made reflects the time period it was created in. The Oran has a picture of a man on it, and it is reflected to be the proper posture for prayer. Many people interpreted it as having an abstract representation. The Santa Sabina is a basilica, a type of building used by the ancient Romans for diverse functions, including a site for law courts. It has a central space called a nave, and it is flanked on either side-by-side aisles. The wall of the nave is broken by clerestory windows, and they provide direct lighting. The wall does not contain traditional classic articulated columns. The now plain walls were once decorated with beautiful mosaics.